Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. So we've noticed that the existing lock that's on our door is wearing out, and what we've noticed is you can actually open the lock even if it's locked, which is not good. So we're going to replace it with a different lock set. So Samantha, show them what we bought here. The Kwikset Smartkey technology lock. And we're going to go through the process of taking off the old lock, and we don't just have the lock, we have the lock and the deadbolt, and installing the new one. My daughter Samantha here is going to help out, so let's get to it. So for this job we used a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver for screwing in the screws. Okay Samantha, so how are we starting off here?
We're going to unscrew just the lock part on the top.
So we're working on the deadbolt?
The deadbolt.
Okay, so let's work on the deadbolt. Whoa.
Okay, so I got one of the two sides off.
Yep.
I'm going to put this off to the side. And then since you took the front part off, the back part easily slides off.
Yep.
Like so. Now we're doing the edge piece that goes in and out. Okay, and then you're just gonna have to wiggle it out.
So it pulled right out.
Yeah, so you just wiggle it out.
But now we still have this piece that's on there.
Yep, and
Now, that one just came right out.
yep. And then after you take this center piece out, this little knob area will come out. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the box and pull out all the stuff.
Samantha's got the deadbolt piece, and can we show them how it's gonna fit inside the door? And we're gonna make sure it's right side up. So you've got that in there, and then the instructions were telling us that there's an ability to twist the inside piece to extend it if we need it to be longer on the inside. So we also noticed on the side of the latch that it indicates that this side should be up, so when we're inserting this into the door, we're going to have this side facing up. Samantha, now the instructions want us to pull the bolt back, so can you use the screwdriver there, go ahead and retract it. Okay, and then there are two screws that are going to go in on the side here, so we're going to put those in next.
And now we will unretract it.
Alright, so we've got that ready to go. Now we're going to start working on the pieces that are going to be on these sides of the door. It's a little hard to see what's happening on the inside when we're working inside the door. So I just want to show you the two pieces, the exterior piece and the interior piece, which has two long screws. These are going to get screwed into this other front deadbolt piece here to match up with the two screw holes that are here. The other thing that needs to match up is on the inside. This post is going to match up with what we have here. So you have to fit all the pieces together nicely, and once you have them all fit together, we're going to have this on the side of our door, and it's going to look something very similar to this. And then when we turn our interior piece here, that will lock the deadbolt. Samantha is installing the exterior part of the deadbolt. She's matching up the latch on the inside there to make the deadbolt latch work, and it looks like she's got it. You're going to put this other piece in. Did you get stuff to match up? Mm-hmm. Alright, so it looks like the screw holes are matched up.
Yep.
And that looks like it's operating the latch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so see if you can grab the screwdriver then. I'll hold this. Yep. See if you can screw those two pieces together. looks like we have the deadbolt working. Go ahead and show us, is it opening and closing? Now actually open and close the door. See if it'll close. Are you able to deadbolt it? Give it a good pull. See if it opens up. Looks like we're good. So now we're going to work on the doorknob, and we got the deadbolt all set. So now we're going to take a look at the pieces that we have for the doorknob, and we've got our new doorknob here with the latch for the inside, and you can kind of see how there's two pieces just like with the deadbolt that are going to connect together. And then we've got our exterior part of the doorknob here for the key. And then what else do we have in there, Samantha? So we have the piece that's going to go in through the short side of the door, just like the deadbolt. And we also have a couple of other, we've got our fitting piece. Looks like a couple extra screws, a plate there for the side of the door. So Samantha, why don't you open up this part here, and we'll get those pieces ready to install. So we are ready to work on the
handle,
removing the old door handle. So there's two screws in the back, and Samantha's going to start taking those off.
ready?
Yep. So you got that piece off.
Haha!
So you pushed in the
Ah!
in there. Oh my gosh, you actually got dirty while doing some hard work around the house. So we've got the knob off, so now we're going to unscrew the plate and the side part of the latch for the doorknob. So Samantha has the side part for the latch, and we're going to insert that into the side of the door there and make that flush. And then this hole here seems to be in the center, so we should be good. So we're going to go ahead and screw in those two screws for the side.
Also, before you do that, you need to make sure that the slanted part is facing towards the outside of the house. Otherwise, because when you close the door, it's going to go like that.
It'll push up against that on that rounded part, and then when this gets all the way into the cavity on the side of the door frame, then it's going to slide back out to securely hold the door shut. You're inserting the exterior of the handle, and it helped to push the side latch piece to allow it to fit in there. And so we've got that piece, and now we're going to work on attaching the back piece to it. It fits on nicely, but what we noticed and we had a problem with was it was not fitting right onto this piece, and we noticed because this on the inside the latch was flipped and it wasn't fitting nicely into the groove for the handle. So when we turned that allowed it then to slide nicely into this piece. So we're going to go ahead and insert the screws to attach the doorknob and tighten it up. So we finished putting together the locks for the deadbolt and the handle. So Sam, show us how we can lock the door up here. That's locked and that's locked. All right, so go ahead and unlock them from the inside here. Okay, and then open up the door. Alright, and then can you show us here, let's insert the key on the outside there to make the deadbolt work. Awesome. And then can you lock the handle there from the outside? So and then when you lock it, maybe just use your hand to try and turn the handle there so we can see it's locked. That'll still push. That's always going to push whether it's locked or not. But when it's locked, you won't be able to turn. You won't be able to turn that handle. There you go. Okay. Well, great. So that's your installation of the lock. I'm going to put the tools away then, Samantha.
Okay. Well, that's going to do it. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to make more copies of your keys for new locks. I'm going to go eat some pizza now. Bye!
participating in this video?
No.
You're just here to eat jelly beans.
Yep.
Okay.